Cracking your knuckles all the time? Ever been warned this could cause arthritis? Let's burst this myth. Knuckle cracking is a very common habit. Some find it relieving, others find it annoying. But does it really damage your joints or cause arthritis? Let's understand the science. The sound isn't bone rubbing together. It happens when gas bubbles in the joint fluid suddenly burst due to pressure changes when you stretch your fingers. No bone damage and no cartilage breaking. No. Long-term studies have found no link between habitual knuckle cracking and arthritis. So the warning you heard as a child is mostly a myth. However, if cracking is painful, frequent, and associated with stiffness, it may need evaluation. Evaluations may include X-rays or MRIs to rule out early joint or ligament issues. Cracking your knuckles may be harmless, but pain is not. Get it checked today.